Research on the marketing strategies of famous brands. The exceptional quality of your company's products or services is no longer a guarantee for its commercial success.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
You need effective marketing strategies for consumers to even notice your brand among others. Famous brands like Apple, Nike, and Coca-Cola have built powerful identities and global recognition through carefully crafted marketing efforts. Nowadays, your company needs to resonate with consumers and evolve with market trends. But what exactly do well-known brands do to win the attention and hearts of millions? Each approach plays a crucial role in shaping public perception, from social media campaigns to affiliate partnerships and digital agency collaborations. You will see that even the words you use in your communication with clients matter. Professional writers at services like Shark know that you can't use the same tone of voice and approach when crafting messages for different audiences. Therefore, let's explore key marketing strategies used by successful brands to create a comprehensive overview of proven marketing techniques you can borrow. Why social media marketing is so important? The short answer is that the visibility of your brand depends on its digital presence. It's more likely that someone will see your company's profile on Instagram or Facebook than stumble upon your offline store. That's why modern brands use social media platforms to connect with audiences in real time and drive engagement through authentic storytelling. The role of content marketing strategy. Nike and Red Bull are great examples of how content can elevate a brand beyond just products. Nike uses compelling visuals and emotional storytelling to inspire its audience. Their marketing department focuses on themes of perseverance and athletic excellence. Red Bull has the positioning of a lifestyle brand and produces extreme sports content that aligns perfectly with its "Gives You Wings" slogan. Such elements as a consistent brand voice, visually appealing posts, and interactive content, polls, reels, and behind-the-scenes stories help companies remain relevant and encourage user interaction. Is word-of-mouth marketing still alive? You might be surprised, but it still plays a crucial role when it comes to the brand's social media efforts. Not so long ago, Starbucks encouraged customers to post photos of their personalized drinks, which led to a sense of community and invited people to share their genuine experiences. When you leverage user-generated content and engage with your audience directly, you can increase trust and visibility. Influencer partnerships, hashtags, and referral programs are popular tactics to boost the word-of-mouth marketing phenomenon. Affiliate marketing for beginners. What you need to know. This performance-based model has become a popular strategy for brands that want to expand their reach with minimal upfront costs. Famous brands like Amazon, Bluehost, and Shopify have built extensive affiliate networks instead of relying solely on in-house efforts. They empower thousands of individuals, bloggers, influencers, and niche marketers to promote their offerings. From a client's point of view, it's easier to believe someone outside the company when they describe the advantages of particular products or services. Affiliate marketing is especially appealing to startups and e-commerce brands because they only pay after they receive the results. Therefore, it removes the risk of upfront advertising costs. Back to basics, 4 Ps of marketing. This concept is crucial for setting up an effective affiliate marketing program, and here's why. Product. The product must be of high quality and have clear value to make it easier for affiliates to promote authentically. For instance, Netflix product isn't just streaming content, but personalized, on-demand entertainment supported by a strong recommendation algorithm. Price. Pricing should be competitive and reflect the product's value. Also, it should allow for an attractive affiliate commission structure. While Apple uses premium pricing to reinforce its image as a luxury brand, Spotify offers tiered pricing to attract a broad user base. Place. Distribution channels should be accessible, with landing pages optimized for conversions and user experience. Amazon excels in place strategy with its global distribution network and impeccable e-commerce platform that delivers products quickly and efficiently. Promotion. Affiliates should have promotional tools, banners, content samples, and discount codes to help them market effectively. Coca-Cola's global promotions, especially during major events like the Olympics or the FIFA World Cup, focus on emotional branding and broad reach. Email marketing platforms does your business need when they describe the advantages of particular products or services. Affiliate marketing is especially appealing to startups and e-commerce brands because they only pay after they receive the results. Therefore, it removes the risk of upfront advertising costs. Back to basics, 4 Ps of marketing. This concept is crucial for setting up an effective affiliate marketing program, and here's why. Product. The product must be of high quality and have clear value to make it easier for affiliates to promote authentically. For instance, Netflix product isn't just streaming content, but personalized, on-demand entertainment supported by a strong recommendation algorithm. Price. Pricing should be competitive and reflect the product's value. Also, it should allow for an attractive affiliate commission structure. While Apple uses premium pricing to reinforce its image as a luxury brand, Spotify offers tiered pricing to attract a broad user base. Place. Distribution channels should be accessible, with landing pages optimized for conversions and user experience. Amazon excels in place strategy with its global distribution network and impeccable e-commerce platform that delivers products quickly and efficiently. Promotion. Affiliates should have promotional tools, banners, content samples, and discount codes to help them market effectively. Coca-Cola's global promotions, especially during major events like the Olympics or the FIFA World Cup, focus on emotional branding and broad reach. Email marketing platforms, does your business need them? Affiliate marketers can't imagine their professional lives without platforms like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Aweber. They can nurture leads by sending targeted, automated messages that highlight product benefits and share testimonials. Note that you need to segment email lists based on customer behavior or preferences to enhance conversion rates. Digital marketing agency, a change of perspective. Many brands partner with marketing agencies to execute complex, multi-channel campaigns. The main task of such an agency is to ensure brands remain competitive in a fast-changing digital environment. 7 Ps of marketing. To deliver comprehensive services, agencies often adopt the 7 Ps of marketing, an expanded version of the traditional 4 Ps, which also includes people. Here we are talking about everyone involved in delivering the product or service, from frontline employees to digital support agents. Their behavior and attitude shape the customer experience. Even when your products are of the highest quality, but your employees don't know how to interact with clients, your business will not be successful. For instance, the Ritz-Carlton has exceptional service because its employees go above and beyond for customers. In digital brands, this includes customer success teams and social media managers who handle public interactions. Process. The systems and workflows that deliver the product or service efficiently are crucial too. Uber's app-based booking and ride-matching system is a streamlined process that ensures quick service, real-time tracking, and secure payments. All these points contribute to a seamless customer experience. Physical evidence. This refers to the tangible or visible cues that reassure customers about the brand and its promises. For a digital marketing agency, physical evidence might include a professional website, client testimonials, case studies, awards, or branded proposals. And for a retail brand like Apple, it includes store design, product packaging, and even the unboxing experience. These things have an especially significant value when a company wants to reflect a premium brand image. A digital agency working with a luxury fashion brand, for example, might focus on premium visuals, physical evidence, a seamless e-commerce experience, process, and well-trained chat support people to reinforce the brand's high-end positioning. Pricing strategies in marketing. Why do some brands want you to pay twice as much for similar products produced by their competitors? It's hard to answer this question right away. Most probably, brands, Apple or Rolex, for example, use the premium pricing strategy to reflect exclusivity and quality. You can learn more about other pricing strategies like penetration pricing and psychological pricing to choose the best approach for your particular case. Agencies help brands determine the right approach based on factors like target audience, competitor analysis, perceived value, and market demand. Go-to-market strategy. In a nutshell, it's a structured plan that outlines how your brand will launch a product or service and reach its target customers. The strategy you create integrates product positioning, marketing, and customer engagement into a cohesive roadmap. Let's look at the ways popular brands use GTM strategies. Coca-Cola. When Coca-Cola introduced Coke Zero, its GTM strategy targeted health-conscious men, a segment underrepresented by Diet Coke. The company differentiated the product through bold branding and sports sponsorships. Its messaging focused on delivering the real Coke taste with zero sugar, and distribution leveraged the brand's massive global network to maximize reach. Spotify. Spotify's initial GTM strategy involved launching in smaller European markets to fine-tune its offering before expanding globally. Their freemium model lowered the barrier to entry and attracted users quite fast. Most of these users became paying subscribers later on. The company's GTM also included partnerships with Facebook, which helped Spotify tap into social media networks for organic user growth. Tesla. Tesla emphasizes innovation and direct-to-consumer engagement. Unlike traditional car manufacturers that rely on dealerships, Tesla sells directly through its website and company-owned showrooms. Tesla also uses a referral program, a subtle form of word-of-mouth marketing, to grow its customer base. Your next steps. As you can see, the popularity of many well-known brands is not a lucky coincidence. Marketers work hard to make consistent execution across numerous channels possible. But forget about copying the steps of these giants and hoping for the best. You need to find strategies that are relevant to your company and target audience. Learn from the best in business and create your own unique story.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.